Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to fix a loose kickstand on your bike, because my kickstand is really loose. This bolt is loose, and I'm going to be taking it off and putting it back on, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys all the products you'll be using in today's video. The stuff you'll be needing is some thread locker, ratchet, hex bit sockets. I'll be using an 8mm and a wire brush. Guys, so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna grab your hex bit socket, 8mm, then you're gonna grab your ratchet, and then you're gonna squeeze this top piece in and get it in there. And then after that, you can make sure it's on the right side. And take your bolt off, and push it in there. And then you start taking it off. Oh, yeah, okay, there we go. Okay, I think that's it. I think I just move it by hand after. Okay, here it is. Now what you guys are going to do is you're going to grab your bolt, you're going to get your wire brush and scrub it around everywhere, just in case it has dirt. And you don't want no rust. And then after that, you're going to grab your brake kickstand. Just going to clean the top of it and the bottom of it and the top. That's good. Okay, after that, you're going to have your bolt, and then you're going to get your thread locker. Then you're going to open it, put it down. Just going to put it just like that. And then you're going to grab your kickstand. And you guys are going to put your kickstand like this. Make sure it's facing the right way. And then you're going to put your bolt in it. These guys screw it on by hand. And when it gets hard, okay, and then you grab your ratchet, and then you tighten it with your ratchet, and then tighten it hard. You don't want this thing coming loose. And that's strong. Yep, that's pretty good. Should get everything out of the way. Yeah, and that is how to fix kickstand which is loose. Make sure you guys subscribe and leave a like if you guys liked the video. And thanks for watching, and peace!